What's different today in the world of mortgage finance? Come back in a minute, we'll talk about it. Hi, Steve Schwab here with the Portland Lifestyle Team. Real quick before we get started, if you are thinking about selling your home, or maybe you just want to know what it's worth in today's market, if you click on the orange box right there on the website, that's going to gather some information. It's going to give you a quick analysis of what your home should be worth in today's real estate market. And if you're thinking about buying a home, if you click on that blue box right there, that's going to take you to every home for sale today in the greater Portland area. And if you're watching this on Facebook today, if you click on the link right above the video box here, that's going to take you to a page that's going to give you the same access. So click away and have some fun with that. So today we're joined by Peter Weiss with Fairway Independent Mortgage. Peter is our preferred lender here at the Portland Lifestyle Team, and Peter's going to talk a little bit about what's changed in the way of mortgage finance. And what brought this up was the last video that I shot. We talked about the dynamics of the market, and I got a lot of feedback about concern over, are we making another bubble? And is that going to pop? Is that going to burst? And what's that look like? And there are some things that have changed relevant to the finance arm of our aspect of a real estate transaction. So Pete, talk to us about that a little bit.
First, let me ask you a question. Do you think the bubble's going to pop?
I do not believe so.
I don't either.
Yeah.
I think we're in a great place. And I'm going to give you some props here. It's a perfect time to buy, perfect time to sell, perfect time to move up. Rates are really low, and we've got some good things that are happening. But essentially, the difference between then and now we have what's called the CFPB, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. It was put in place based on the Dodd-Frank Reform Act to help promote fairness and transparency for the consumer related to mortgages, credit cards, and other financial products and services. That's what it was there for.
So an extreme change there. Now, I understand there's something also called TRID that we refer to as TRID. Talk to us about that a little bit.
Okay, TRID. We love acronyms. The mortgage industry loves acronyms. TRID stands for the TILA RESPA Integrated Disclosure. Essentially, TRID was designed to give time for the consumer to look at their numbers, digest it, give them time to basically look at everything, make a decision, and then move forward from there.
Great.
I mean,
So,
that's in a nutshell.
So your daily business life has to have changed dramatically based
100%.
on all these things. So what is different? I mean, you're having to disclose a
Yeah,
lot.
you're right. Okay, now we have to disclose a lot. Back then, we didn't have to do anything. We disclosed, we did our normal transactions, and there was disclosures there, but you take a $250,000 house, mortgage companies and banks back then could make $10,000. There's $10,000 in fees. Now, we disclose everything. It's there in paper. You see it. You have time to look at it. You review it. And that doesn't happen anymore. That's
Right.
the big difference.
Right, and so there's no way to hide erroneous fees and charges
Nope.
in there, which
Nope.
which explode those closing costs.
Which would create the bubble.
Right, exactly. It would contribute to it.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
In addition to that, I mean, obviously, you can no longer produce a loan or present a loan that is going to explode on somebody,
No.
which is what happened before.
We're heavily regulated. We have to disclose everything. We have to keep record of everything. It's there. It's there in black and white print, and people have the information.
Yeah, that along with the fact that the appraisal process is much more complicated or complex, I guess.
Yeah.
People really are much more protected than they maybe realize.
Yeah,
realize.
it's true. It's really true.
Well, great. Hopefully this has been of help. Hopefully you got some information from this. We love to bring these videos to you. If this has created any questions whatsoever, feel free to give me a quick email at steve@portlandlifestyleteam.com, and we'd love to shoot another video on that topic or to address that clarification or question. So until then, have a great day. We're going to be talking to you again real soon.